Hello travellers, this is a review of the Futureworks pants from Outlier. These pants are made from the same F-cloth material as Outlier's new waist shorts, which I'll be reviewing soon. However, these are longer and are a chino style pant. The F-cloth material is a lightweight yet durable mix of cordura, nylon and elastane, which gives it a comfortable to wear two-way stretch. As you can see here, there's also a knee-length gusset that further improves the pants' comfort and stretch. In terms of fit, I don't know if Outlier has revised the sizing or if the Futureworks are just cut a bit slimmer, but I usually wear a size 30 in my Outlier slim dungarees. But with the Futureworks, I tried the size 30, which you can see here, and a size 31. The size 30 fit me firm around the waist, but was a bit too snug around the thighs. The size 31 was more like my slim dungarees in a size 30. But the dungarees do tend to stretch out a bit with wear, whereas the Futureworks don't tend to stretch out as much with wear. My actual waist measurement is about 32 inches or 81 centimeters around. The size 30 measures about 15.5 inches across or 39 centimeters, and the size 31 measures about 16 inches across or 40.5 centimeters across the waist. The F-cloth material is very comfortable and breathable and is very nice to wear on hot days or even cool days. For very cold weather though, I think you would definitely need a base layer to keep warm. I tested it through some 100 degrees Fahrenheit days, which is about 38 degrees Celsius, and they felt nearly as cool as the injected linen pants. They do wick moisture and dry very quickly as well, and they have a durable water repellent coating that repels water very well. The coating does wear down a bit though with continued wear and laundering. However, it can be revitalized by putting it in the dryer. With the pricing, the Futureworks come in at $148 US or 208 Australian, which actually makes them the most affordable pair of pants that Outlier makes. And for this reason, I would say that they are a great beginner's pair of pants for those wanting to get into the Outlier brand, or for those wanting to get into some serious tech wear that looks and performs very well. This year, the pants come in 9 colors, of which there should be something for everyone's tastes. I have the size 30 in a phantom grey and the size 31 in a dark navy. Overall, I like the Futureworks more than I expected I would, and they have proved to so far be very versatile and comfortable in a wide range of situations. I do somewhat prefer the jeans 5-pocket style layout like on the slim dungarees, but the chinos side pockets do make it very easy to slip things into and out of. They're also able to be dressed up or down more easily. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments which of the two sizes you thought fit better. The size 30, which was the phantom grey, or the size 31, which was the dark navy. Thank you again, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.